welcome to another video by Fitness Technology Services. So today is another service call video. I'm going to change this console on this 7.0 AT, I guess 7.0 AT, alright? So most of this is going to have to be done from the back. Just wanted to give you a front view of it so you can compare it to your treadmill. And I guess let's get started. Thanks a lot. Hang tight. Okay, I'm back. So this console is going to be the complete assembly. That's how the manufacturer sent it out. So first thing we have to do is disconnect these two handlebars, which operates your speed and your incline. I think they even have the pulse. So we're just going to disconnect these if we can. Okay. Disconnect this one if we can. Let's see. So the side that goes to the console, the clip opens on the opposite side. So there we go. Just got to be stronger. All right. So we're going to leave these two halves because they go through the pulse bar. So these are all number 6s. Just going to probably replace a couple. Pretty obvious, I think. Try not to get in your way too much. But they are all number 6 Allens. So I'm going to go ahead and take these other 3 off, so I'm not going to waste your time on that. Hold on one sec. Okay, just a quick glance before I go on to the next stage. This was sitting here like so. Simply remove the 3 number 6 Allens. Put that down here. Hold on to this so it doesn't fall. And I'm removing the other side. Alright, so that's pretty simple, all right? So hang on one second again. I think the next bolts I'm going to have to remove are this. Can you see them? Yes, you can. So it'll be in your way, guys. And this over here, all right? It looks like there might be a piece right up through here on the frame. I will have to see on that, so hang on one second. Okay, back to replacing this console. So this is going to be all one piece. I've already loosened it up here because I just can't believe you don't have to replace all 3 of these. But this, leave this screw alone. This marks how far the console sits down on the bracket. All you have to do is really remove these 2 here and these 2 over here. Again, you saw me lift it up, so obviously I've removed those 2 over there. Same thing, number 6s. I guess I should advise you to, oh, I guess I have to put a disclaimer on this video. Always remove power. Always turn it off. It's already off. I'll unplug it for safety's sake. Okay, okay. So these are a little awkward to get to. Kind of, not really. Just going to hold it on a little bit. Some of these have a tendency to kick back. Not a big deal. So that's going to be kind of heavy, but as you can see, that's pretty easy. The whole thing just lifts up. Hold on for one second while I reposition my phone, actually. Hopefully I got my phone repositioned where it won't drop. It's just really going to be a matter of taking this off. So all 4 the Allens are loose. I'm just going to tip this sucker back and remove it like so. Put it over here. Going to turn you off for 1 second while I grab the next console, and I'll show you that next step. But I think it's going to be pretty obvious at this point. Okay, so I got the console out of its box, and it is what it is. It's the whole thing. You'll see it as I pick it up. So I'm going to pick this up right here. It's a little heavy, so we have 2 people. It would be nice. Wow. I gotta say, super nice and easy. Alright, so I'm just gonna put a little screwdriver in one of the screw holes. And so afraid it's gonna kick back, but it don't feel like it. So I'm gonna reconnect this to here. Got my screws close by, and I'm going to stick that one. Make this holds up a little better. I may need a screwdriver for that. Using a screwdriver just to kind of push it back a little bit. Help line up the hole. You may not need to do that, or if you have some other set of hands with you. Alright. So then you realize you got to put this one back. Well, tighten it up. Put this one in, put those 2 over here. I'm trying to bore you with things that you obviously should be able to do. Okay, no, that's a little crooked. So we're going to push back and down. There we go, just a hair. Okay, well, let me go ahead and tighten those up. Then, of course, you got to put these back. These plug into here. This is already plugged into there. So let me get set up. I might not even view the next one, but we'll take a look at it complete. Hang on 1 second. Pretty easy so far, though. Okay, quick little recap. I don't have my flashlight. I misplaced it. But you know where all the screws are. Let's see. So I hooked the wire harness up. These 2 screws have to be removed. The 2 on the same side, on the other side, have to be removed. These 3 here for your handlebars. Then I'm just gonna plug these back in, and that's gonna be it. And then I'll take it to the front side, and we'll see if it works. So I'm gonna guess the one that's leading towards this side. Aha, look at that. It'll only fit one way. So we don't have to worry about guessing which one is what side. How do you like that? I like that. Made it easy for me. All right. Here, click like that. Oh, that was even louder. I like that one better. Okay. All right, I'm gonna turn it on and take you to the front side of the console and see if it works.